ink, I got it, word got buried, right and spirit, so here it is, so please release, inhale, exhale, I'm gonna get you high. Yo, hi Leroy is my name, I smoke dacha while I go, my mom's name is Sally, so please, so we gonna get you high, so let's get high, sloopy doopy do your, we be the one hanging at the 24, the temple here is where I went to, yeah, smoke the master, seeing people everywhere, starting to understand the point, strolling, talking about the joint, the weed, the blunt, talking about that marijuana, that skunky, cheapy, cheaper, funky, talking about that Malawi gold, that urban poison, talking about the Chiba, Chiba, Motayo, I'm about that smoke, I'm beginning singing, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get high, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get high, goodbye, high to that joint, next time want a point, smoking the sun, smoking, here to bring the round ring, a blunt out of my mouth inside ring, the wings holding you on to unfold is your feet told and axle start a view, new brain cell. Yo, smoke, you wanna smoke and deal with us, you wanna be real with us, stone is the way of the walk, let's talk cause the next thought is what I've brought, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get high, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get high, stinky high, I'm gonna get you high, so high, ink, I got it, word, I got a parrot, writing spirit, so hear it, so please release, inhale, yo, yo, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get high, I'm gonna get you so high, so let's get high, so let's get stinking high, I'm gonna get you high, so let's get so high up into the sky and fly by and just say I'm gonna get you high. You don't die yesterday, you die today. I'm gonna get you so high.